Once again, welcome back to the second part of crochet cardigan. We'll be making this beautiful crochet cardigan. So let's get started. I have completed the white parts, about 17 rows. Now we'll be making with the colors. I will start with yellow to give it a shiny look, and I will be making the same thing, just different colors. 3 half double crochets in each space, and in the corners two sets of half double crochet with chain 1, and we'll continue making the colors up to the level of the shoulder we need. So let's get started. Start with chain 2 and make your first half double crochet, your second half double crochet. So total we have 3 half double crochets in each space with the yellow color, and we are going to continue making these beautiful half double crochets to give it a beautiful look. I'm rotating in each row because it will give a different look to my design, and it's really gonna look beautiful as you've seen in the pictures. It's really gonna be amazing. So continue with me to get this beautiful look. 1 half double crochet, 2, 3 in each row. Once I reach the corner, I will be making 2 sets of half double crochet, means 6 in total with 1 chain in each row. So don't forget to do that, and if you don't do that, you will not get that curve in your jacket, and we need the corners. This is the final look I have with the yellow color. Now I will choose a plain color, not gray and white, but it's cream color. It's very gonna give a good look to this one. You can choose any color you want. Here, these cream colors, I'm going to make only 2 half crochets in each space because it will give a different look. And if you want, you can make 3 half double crochets, 4 half double crochets, it does not matter. It depends on the thickness of your yarn. My yarn was small, thin, so I wanted to make only that one. So here is the final look I have with each rows. If you can see, I have done the seamless of the sleeves as well, and it's looking very nice. What I have done here, I have just taken 2 corners and slip stitched together when I reach the maroon color. This maroon color gives a beautiful shine to my jacket, and it's really nice. I have done about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows of the color to hold my shoulder. Actually it was that much the length of my shoulder, so you have to choose your shoulder part. When you're making the jacket, what you have to do is put it over your body to check the size of your shoulder. That's what I have done. Then I'm continuing with the parts of my front side and back side. So you can choose any corner you want. You just have to go all around with the same cream color, 2 double crochets, and the other colors 3 double crochets. And we are going to continue with 6 rows for sure, because I will be measuring the half parts of my body. And don't forget, we need to make 2 pieces of the same thing. So if you are doing the white part, then do not forget to continue with the other part too. I did the white parts together, then I continued making the color parts. So I'm making my crochet thing with the pink color I chose. It's a baby pink color. It's really beautiful. It's shiny, which gives a different look when you wear it, and make sure everybody's gonna love what you're wearing. Just continue crocheting around for 6 times. The gray, the cream color will only be 2 half double crochets, and the pink and red and any other color you're using will be 3 double crochets. You can make, as I said before, you can make 2 double crochets, 3 double crochets as well. It does not matter. Okay, this is the final part I received, and it's really beautiful. I added up a blue color to keep with that attraction to my jacket, and it's looking very nice. I even added up the gray color to it because I want to continue with the blue and gray as well, and it's looking very nice. If you can see, it's looking very nice, and this is the only front and back side together. Now we will be making the back side actually, because the front side is completed. You have to just fix it correctly so that it doesn't get here and there, and just pick up that last line of middle of the sleeve part and pick up any corner either from the upside or the front side. Just make sure you're choosing the right side of your jacket. If it's the left side, you have to concentrate on which one will be your back side, and if you are using the right side, you have to concentrate which will be your front side. So that's the main part here. I have checked this sleeve when I turn it over to the right side. I get it like the correct portion. If you can see, I have done the left side already, and I'm going to do the right side, which I haven't done yet. I'm just choosing the right positions. If you can see, it's looking very beautiful. I have done with the multiples of gray, red and blue, and this red is, my red is a mixed color red, but you can use any. I had that yarn left over at home, so I tried it to make that one. It's just with 3, and the gray part is 2, the blue is 3, the gray part is 2, and again the red is 3, the gray part is 2. So it's a total of 6 rows. And if you can see, there I have finished 2 sides of my jacket, and I'm going to put it side by side. And if you can see, it's really beautiful from now. Now see if I have chosen the colored colors. You can use multicolors. I prefer to make both the sides together in the same color, in the same pattern color. So now it's just the seaming part is left, and it's looking very beautiful. I will be doing the seaming part with my gray color, so that connection should not be seen. And make sure when you're seaming, you're choosing the right side. The inside should be the inside of the wearing. The outside should look different. I'm seaming with the needle, but you can seam with crochet also. I prefer to do with needle because crocheting will be a little hard for me. I always use needle to do this part. So after doing this, you can see how it's connecting. I'm just taking the last hole and the last and whole first. I'm not choosing the whole thing, whole 2 rows, not row actually. What is this called actually? Front part and the second part, like back loop, first loop maybe. I'm just choosing the one side of it, not the whole thing, because I want this to look good. I don't want this to look bumpy from the inside. That's why, if you can see, it's looking very nice and soft. And here is the finished product. If you can see, I have done all things, including the sleeves, Actually, I did nothing with the sleeves. I just left it as it was because it was enough for the length. But I have done a little more rows in the bottom area because I wanted a little longer, but it depends on the height you want. If you want a longer one, you can make a longer one, but if you want soft, that much. It's really cushy and soft and it's really nice. It's just the last part is left. You have to do last row with the yellow color to cover that neck area and give it a good shine to whole project. So I'm starting to make that seaming area. I am making, so let's get started. Choose any corner, it does not matter because you're making all over the jacket area, and make your 2 chains and your half double crochets. This will be a little hard into areas where there is no crochet done, like the bottom, so that will, you have to be very careful with choosing those sides. And you have to make sure one thing, you have to do 1 half double crochet in each space, in each chain, because this is the last row, so that will be done like that. You don't have to do in the spaces, you have to choose the stitches, each stitch 1 half double crochet, because it's the last row and the shine close up, and it's really gonna make you feel comfortable when you wear it. You can wear with any color you like. It's multicolored and it's fashionable in fashion today. Just, you will love what you get it. So I will be continuing with this one, and I will show you the last thing I have in my hand, my beautiful jacket. This is the final jacket I have, and it's really beautiful and it's really comfortable. Stay tuned to see more of my videos on crocheting projects. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and put a thumbs up if you like my video.